What is up, you guys? Looks like today is a new day. It's only on our third day out here, but it looks like we are actually going to be working on the black Civic Type R. Owner over here is dropping at Nightmare CTR. We are going to be installing his new exhaust.
What's the brand?
Ultimate Racing?
Ultimate Racing, there you go.
I literally found them on YouTube just googling straight pipe Type R. And they were like one of the first ones that popped up.
As you can see, no exhaust. We are running on an open downpipe. Alright guys, I am going to be showing you a car that is going to be new to the channel. But when we bought it, there was a little situation. That right there, story to be told.
You want to do that?
I don't know, it's up to you. I can go into the fuck.
Porque te asusta la pendeja.
Hold on, watch out. Hey, chill out. Hey, chill out.
She ready to fight, dude. Hooties.
Oh, she has an egg back there.
Oh, that's why.
Hey, chill out.
So set of the block.
Hey, chill out.
All right, boys, this is the exhaust right here from Ultimate Racing. Looks like he was just doing a little bit of research, watching some videos. Looks like Ultimate Racing was the best one that he thinks was the best sounding. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna install it. Master mechanic right here.
Reporting for dude.
Looks like we're gonna install it and see how it sounds.
I'm about to head down there right now. Go ahead and start taking off the rest of the front pipe that we left on from last video. Make sure to go watch the last video if you don't know what I'm talking about. So we left it at open front pipe. It sounds pretty great. It sounded alright. But we feel like this is gonna sound 10 times better. Just because of the placement of things and how it should be located. It's a little scary how we have it, you know. It's always scary going underneath the car, but nobody said Cristo.
And we're back. Back. Status update.
Where you at? Oh. We're almost done with the front pipe. We're almost done taking it out. It's just the positioning more than anything, making it complicated. But we should get good here in the next couple minutes.
Looking good, yes sir. What's up, man? Did you introduce the G already?
Yeah.
The G35? Trooper.
That's a trooper, dude. That's a story to be told.
That's gonna be the heart and soul of this channel. The G35.
Hey, bro. Nice, dude. Big things coming to the channel, bro. Big things.
Cool.
Perfect. 512 bucks for downpipe, the charge pipe, and the downpipe gasket. I'm just gonna buy it right now. For mine.
What?
Este güey se está cociendo.
The WD-40 should be right now.
Sí, güey, está. It's harder than that. Insert down below.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
Yeah, you keep digging. And we're live, baby.
180 at 60 frames?
Yep, 1080, 60 frames, baby. Best for the viewers, you know? Because It's only like our second or third day out here. It's our third day out here.
It's on our third day out here. Y'all
Alright,
ride.
so we got the front part.
Y'all go to Jefferson.
Oh, look at that. Get the front pipe off.
Spread eagle. I'm trying to be up in your cheeks, Hammy.
Thinking about me in your butt.
Ah!
I'm trying to think right now, bro.
We gotta say some jokes or say something.
I think it's supposed to come both ways. Should we do it?
Yeah, as long as it's secure.
Vibration will eventually put it.
By the way, guys, if you didn't know, shout out to Milwaukee for sponsoring us for the set of sockets. And what else did it send you? An impact and a sawzall?
Yes, sir. Honestly, that's all. Note to self, note to the viewers. Buy the little hanger tool. It's just not worth the pain. It's not worth the busted knuckles. And it really be your bros. They're like, oh, we installed an exhaust. Look at my hands. Show your hands, Jesus. We really installed the exhaust.
Here.
I hate these guys.
Alright, bro, you got done with it?
Yeah.
Let's go, sir. Yes, sir.
No, let's go. Let's jack it off. Oh, whoa. Let's take it out the jacks.
Yo, cut the beep.
No, let's take it out the jacks. And then we'll go ahead and...
Look on the light.
Hey, shout out. Don't buy your stream. My back. Gotta carry the team on my back. Hold on.
Boom, boys.
I feel so dead.
Fitment.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Crazy. Start up, start up.
Reactions.
That's cool.
Alright, welcome.
I enjoy what
Alright guys, so that was the Ultimate Racing exhaust install. We're just about done. I think it took overall like what?
An hour, hour and a half.
Hour and a half. It sounds really great. Like we said, the spool was gonna sound pretty crazy, and that's what he gained out of it. But until then, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and you know, just support the channel. Hopefully soon he's gonna get his Beamer parts, and we're gonna go ahead and do those installs later. Back to the story about the G35. There's a long story about it.
Man, new video coming soon. That's a story to be told, dude.
Yeah, but overall, what are your thoughts? Did you like it?
I love it. I can't wait for the catalyst down patch show.
Yeah. Oh, Callus done? Alright guys, until next time, please like and subscribe once again. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys.